Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photos YouTube channel. So I'm back again with new AI photo editing tutorial. This AI generates your background with a realistic look. You can see before one and day after one and day after one. Like this you can generate so many pictures with this AI. Trust me guys, this AI is totally free. You don't need to pay single money on it. So watch the video till the end. Let's start. Now first make sure your mobile data is on. Just turn on the mobile data. Now open Google, Chrome or any browser you have. Just open it. I'm using Google app. Now just click on search and just type pix pixcleaner.com. You will see this interface. Now click on first search result. Now scroll down and just select change background. Click on upload. Now select your photo you want to change the background. After a few seconds you will see this interface. Now scroll down and AI has removed your background. Now it's background change time. Okay, now to change background you will see marble, backdrop, silk, bouquet. They have given so many types of background. Now for example, if I want flowers background, nature background, so I will choose blossom, and in that there are subcategories: blossom, petal, white flower. You can select any one, so it will add background according to that. You can see the preview. Okay, so if you want a studio background, then you can select silk and just select a white, black, pink, like this types of background. Okay, so I want flower background, nature background, something. Okay, so I will select blossom. Okay, and in blossom I will prefer petal, right? Petals. So I will just select this. Okay, and simply click on generate, and the AI has started working on your picture. You can see the running option. By the way guys, if you're watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe YouTube channel then do it guys. It helps me a lot to make more videos for you. You can see it has generated very perfectly. If you do not like this result, just click on, we can select other background too. Just click on generate more. It looks perfect. And if you want to save the picture, just click on this download symbol. The pictures downloaded successfully. You can see with HD background, with HD quality. Okay, let me show you other backgrounds too. So for example, if I want bouquet background, just I will select bouquet, and you can select the colors. Blue color will look good, so I will select this and click on generate more. It looks cute. And to save the picture, just click on download symbol and click on download.